Omega Laser Stop Smoking program, you don't need any other stop smoking aids. You could use some of the prescriptions that are on the market if you insist on it. But if you're asking my opinion, then I would say no, just because of the negative side effects that I've heard about over the years. As far as taking the patch or lozenges or vaping or anything that's nicotine based, then we would say no nicotine after your laser treatment, because if you ingest any kind of nicotine in any form, it's like starting over again from the beginning, and you will need to come back in for another treatment.